Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I will be doing the CsEC Integrated Science, May June 2020 paper 1. But if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you know when new videos are being uploaded. Also, please give this video a thumbs up by pressing the like button. Thank you very much for that. And what I'll be doing, I'll be allowing you a few seconds to read the questions because you can see it on your screen, and then I'll be providing you with the answers so that we can get this video within a short amount of time so that you can still get ready and prepare for your exam. So let's get rolling. So look at the first question and you can go ahead and read it. So the answer would be for 1 would be B. All right, let's go to question number 2. So this question, antibodies are important in the human body because the answer, what do you think? If you said B, then you are correct. Let's go to number 3. Which of the following systems is likely to be affected by the presence of dust in the air? The answer would be B, respiratory. So you can go ahead and take a look at questions 4, items 4 to 5. It's based on the flower. 4, which part of the flower forms the seed after fertilization? We know that is the answer is A, ovule. Answer for question 5 would be C. Let's go to number 6. The answer for question 6 is B. Let's go to number 7. So, notice the word most in all caps. So that would be A for 7. Let's go down to number 8. So take a look at the diagram. And they're asking us to name the part labeled Y. So we know that is the nucleus, A. Question 9. A food cupboard should always be kept well ventilated and cool rather than closed up and warm. The best reason for this is that the answer would be C. Let's go to number 10. And you can always replay the videos. So here we have the diagram of a human digestive tract. So they ask us the hydrochloric acid is produced in which part? We know it is B. Number 11. So the answer for number 11 would be C. Look at question 12. And the answer for 12 would be A. Osmosis. Let's go to number 13. Which of the following components of blood protects the body by engulfing bacteria? We know that is D. White blood cell. Let's go to 14. Here we have a diagram of the skeletal system. It asks us to the bone labeled X. What's that? So we know it would be C. Let's go to number 15. Photosynthesis occurs in we know it occurs in the chloroplast. Let's go to number 16. So the answer for 16 is D. Carbon monoxide. Let's go to 17. Read the question. The answer would be B. Chromosome. 18. Which of the following statements about respiration is true? We have seen this one before. So we know it would be C for the answer. Number 19. Answer for 19 is C. Let's move to 20. The amount of water entering the tissues of the body is controlled by? No, it is D. Osmoregulation. 21. Which of the following processes are associated with excretion by the kidneys? The answer would be B. Let's go to 22. So we have the diagram of the eye. So they ask us which structure transmits impulses to the brain. We know it is 3. C. And for some of these questions, we had explained them already, like in the 2019 video, so you can go ahead and watch that one if you missed that. Let's go to 23. So for 23 is A. Let's go to number 24. So which of the following symbols represents a switch? This one is easy. We know it's D. 25. Which of the following organisms is a parasite? This is easy too. We know that. C. Tick. Let's go to 26. You can read that one on your screen. So the answer would be A. Let's go to 27. Solar energy is transferred through space by, we know that is A, radiation. Let's move on to 28. So take a look at the diagram showing methods of heat transfer. So the method of heat transfer through the metal rod is, we know that is B, conduction. Let's go to 29. So here is another image picture of an athlete jumping over a hurdle. So what type of energy is the athlete using to jump over the hurdle? So we know that is C, kinetic. Let's go to 30. The formula for calculating current passing through fuses is, we know it's the power divided by voltage B. Let's go to 31. Which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? We know it is C, plastic. 32. The unit of current is the, we know it is the ampere. Let's go to 33. So take a look at the four circuits. So which two circuits are the bulbs wired in parallel? So we know it is 2 and 3, C. Let's go to 34. Which equipment protects a person from toxic fumes? No, that would be the respirator. Let's go to 35. So here we have the diagram of a forearm. So the diagram is an example of B. 36. You can go ahead and read that on your screen. So the formula is B. 37. So which of the following are properties of aluminum alloys that make them suitable for the manufacture of aircraft and boats? We know the answer would be, from our answer options, A. Go to number 38. So which of the following characteristics represent most nonmetals? You can read the answer options. And the answer would be A. Let's go to number 39. The rusting of iron is an example of, well, that's pretty easy. I know it's oxidation, B. 40. Windows made from steel will rust quickly by the seaside. This is because the air by the seaside has a high concentration of, no, the answer would be D, sodium chloride. Let's go to 41. So you can go ahead and look on your screen. Take a look, read that. So the answer for 41 would be B, 42. The question. So the answer is C. Let's go to 43. So take a look on your diagram again. The data given. So we know the crop which best grows in neutral soil. We know that would be B. Go to 44. Hard water is referred to as water that D. Does not easily form lather with soap. Take a look at 45 to 46. Here we have the diagram of the solar system. So it says Earth is labeled. So we know Earth is labeled according to our diagram A, W. Let's go to 46. Saturn is labeled. We know it's at D, Z. Let's go to 47. So here we have a diagram that shows part of a nitrogen cycle. So read the question, what it says. So the answer is C. 48. Decayed organic matter in soil is called, you know that's B. Let's go to 49. We have the different food levels. Right? So which of the following organisms is not eaten by snakes? So we know that's easy. B, squirrel. Let's go to 50. A non-moving boundary between two air masses is called. The answer would be C. Let's go to 51. So the eye of a hurricane is the, you know, the eye of the hurricane is A. 52. You can go ahead and read it. So we know the answer for 52 is C. Let's go to 53. So you can read 53 too. So the answer for 53 is D, sedimentation. 54. Which of the following fishing methods is least efficient for commercial purposes? The answer would be A. Let's go to 55. The increased pressure encountered by the divers at large depths below sea level can affect the, we know it's, sorry, I said 54A, sorry, that's incorrect. Answer for 54 is C. And the answer for question 55 is A. Let's go to 56. So which of the following is not a water safety device? D, inflatable balloon. 57. The type of energy contained in fossil fuels is, we know that is D, electrical. 58. Which of the following is not associated with the use of fossil fuels? No, it is A, erosion. Take a look at this diagram. So it represents the passage of air through the engine of a jet plane. So the direction in which the plane is moving is, we know it is from Y to X, B. But our final question. Which of the following diagrams represents an object in stable equilibrium? Take a look at them. So the answer would be B, pyramid. So there you have it. We have completed the CsEC Integrated Science, May, June 2020. Thank you so much for watching.